I chose this photo along with a few others on the internet in order to study the growth of succulent plants' leaves. But this one has the clearest indication of the growth order of the leaves. I numbered them according to the way they overlap and the sizes of the leaves, and I found out that actually the leaves, they don't grow in a spiral fashion. That means they don't spiral out, but instead they grow like when there's a space, a gap, then they will grow. So it is very important because then you will set the whole plant in a more organic way. And if you have watched my How to Draw Roses Freehand video, you may know that I've also done the same for the arrangement of rose petals, and I found that it's the same for rose petals. They don't grow in a spiral way. Let me explain more clearly. Take number 7 as an example. 7 doesn't grow next to 6, but grows somewhat opposite to 6. And also for 10, from the way that 10 overlaps 11 and its size is larger than 8 and 9, I put them in that order. And so 8 grows opposite to 7 again, then 9 on 7's left, and then 10 on 7's right. Remember, I spared a piece of clay of the same color? Now make it into a cone shape. This will be the centerpiece. It is triangular in shape. Get some glue. Put it at the center. Just surround it with 3 leaves, touching the edge of the triangle, like so. I think it's too vertical. Like this. No, it should be like this. Just find an area that you think you need to put in a leaf to make it circular, more circular shape. Like this. Don't put the leaves in a circular way, because actually they don't grow like this. try to put the leaves staggering, that is between the two leaves in the previous layer. Now the whole plant is quite round, so you can just put it in a circle, to make a circle, just go around. And there you have it. Now I will let it dry. Let the conical piece dry. I made adjustment to this leaf just now because it was higher up, but then I would have 8 leaves at the outermost circle. It's important that don't put even numbers of leaves at the outer circle because it would look too stiff and it would look like a square. It's also true for setting roses.